Miss Tanay Davao Oriental.
Madayang na adlaw kamayo tibo. This is Kian Marie A. Rosales from the home of cultural heritage, Manay Davao Oriental. I fight for protection and preservation of our tourist spot for environmental sustainability. Ascenso Iliganos! Ascenso! From Matanao, Davao del Sur.
Maayong buntag, Iliganon. Ay, walay energy. Maayong buntag! Asenso! Iliganon? Asenso! Usap, matahong na adlaw, kaninyong matanan. This is Ira Mel Ilutan Alfreche from Municipality of Matanao, Province of Davao del Sur. I am a special education teacher and athlete who plays basketball, and I am also a Philippine military reservist. I am an environmental advocate who advocates for Eat Green, Live Green program that focuses more on home gardening. Always remember to eat what you grow and grow what you eat. Sabay-sabay daw ta, eat what you grow and grow what you eat. Daghang salamat, Iliganon.
Miss Iligan City. Medyo mag-isip ko keep up yung energy, no? Maayong buntag, Iligan! I am Crystal Ann Codas from the city of Majestic Waterfalls, Iligan! As a DOSC scholar and a biology student, I really find it important for us to highlight sustainable waste management, even through practicing upcycling and recycling, because this can establish green businesses that can not only benefit our environment, but also our fellow men. Because this does not only affect the health of our people, but it affects our economy as well. And that is why we must always keep in our hearts and our minds that we must always take care of our environment, because in the long run, it will affect our future generations as well. Ascenso Iliganon!
Alright, once again, let's give a big round of applause to our candidates for Miss Philippines Earth 2024. Actually, there are more of them actually who are supposed to be here this morning, but due to a very rigid, hectic schedule and activities that they just had for this couple of weeks, no? This past week, some of them couldn't make it this morning. But fortunately for us, we have our 4 reigning candidates and winners of Miss Philippines Earth 2023. And we will also present that to you. So first off, let us call on our Miss Ecotourism 2023.
Mayong buntag, ako si Athena Claire Giauxilio, your reigning Miss Philippines Ecotourism 2023, and I represented Toledo City, Cebu last year. So I am the Bisaya representative among the reigning queens. So just like my hometown, Toledo City is also composed with nature-based tourist spots, and Iligan as well, as what I've heard. And that is why I'm also curious of your environmental initiatives here in your city and how you apply it to your nature-based tourist spot to keep its beauty alive throughout the generation. So I want to thank Mayor, Vice Mayor, and the City Councilors of Iligan for having us here today. Ascenso, Iligan. Thank you. The Philippines Earth Water 2023.
Magandang araw, Iliganon. I am Jemima Zabala, your Miss Philippines Water 2023. At ako po ay nagmula sa lungsod ng Puerto Princesa City from the province of Pampanga. Una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po kami sa local government unit ng Iligan City, to our city mayor, Mayor Xiao, Vice Mayor, to our city councilors and all the local government officials. Maraming salamat po for having all of us. Salamat po sa warm welcome, and we are very excited to see more of the beauty of Iligan City and let the world know it more. So maraming po salamat. Ascenso, Iligan.
Miss Philippines Earth Fire 2023.
Ascenso Iliganos. Hello. My name is Sheree Duzolabori, and last year I had the gracious opportunity to represent the Filipino community of Melbourne, Australia. So it was a long ride journey for me to come here to Iligan City, but it's worthwhile so far. And I'd like to thank the LGU of Iligan City and to everyone who made it possible, because so far it has been a joyride, especially with the talent competition and future endeavors. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.
Miss Philippines Earth Air 2023. Hello, Iligan City. How are you guys? My name is Kara Raleigh, your Miss Philippines Air 2023, and I was representing Mangatarem, Pangasinan. I just want to say a big thank you for inviting us queens and the delegates, and of course the Carousel production here, as we have so much to explore here. So I'm really excited to look forward throughout the day, as I know we're going to visit the falls afterwards. So I'm really excited about that. Thank you so much. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Iliganon, so why don't we give them a big round of applause to our beautiful queens of Miss Philippines Earth. Yes, thank you so much.
So later on, our candidates and our Radiant Beauty Queens will be visiting our majestic Tinago Falls at Barangay Ditucalan. So they are very much excited to explore and to challenge themselves to go down 365 steps, down the waterfall, and go back up another 300